Hello friends, this is Swati and welcome to my channel, a girl from MP. So this time I'm in my one of the most favorite country, US. So in US I have come to California and today we are going to the one of the most vibrant city of California, that is San Francisco. So let's see how the city looks like. So now we are inside the Golden Gate Park. At Golden Gate Park you can do different activities as you have a botanical garden over here, a Japanese tea garden, a museum, and you can see it's a beautiful garden. So the next destination in San Francisco is the Palace of Fine Arts. So it's basically these are artistic building and you will find the water bodies and the ducks over here, and it's a beautiful palace. I'll show you the palace.
The Palace of Fine Arts is a great place to unwind. You can have a picnic with your family or friends. It also has a theatre with various shows inside.
So now we are at Union Square. So if you want to shop and enjoy the nightlife of San Francisco, this is the place. Union Square.
That's what I do. I've been through that for so long. The manager there, I go to every kid and they don't even talk about it.
Number 5. Cable cars. The San Francisco cable car system is the world's last manually operated cable car system. An icon of San Francisco city. Runs on 3 lines in the 3 streets of San Francisco between the Market Street and Fishermans Wharf. These cars are the fun rides and one of the greatest tourist attractions.
So today we have come to the Twin Peak, and from here you can see the whole San Francisco city. If you're coming here, then do carry your jackets because it's too cold and it's too windy out here. You can see the whole of San Francisco, and it's too foggy. So now we are at one of the most photographed locations in San Francisco, the Molino Square, also famously called as the postcard row, and also called as the seven painted ladies. Basically, these are the Victorian era houses. 7 different houses painted in 7 different colors and different architecture. Also, you'll find a skyline behind these houses, so which gives us a very beautiful view, and it is one of the most photographed location. And the best time to come over here is to come like in the evening at the time of sunset, so you get the best view. So I'll show you the entire location. It's amazing. So now we are at Lombard Street, and these are called the most curvaceous road in the world. And you know what, the speed limit over here is just 5 miles per hour, and it looks so beautiful. So today we are at Pier 39. At Pier 39 you have many things to do, like you can visit the aquarium of Bay with 20,000 live species. You can enjoy the live music, the live street dance.
All we need is somebody to lean on.
Do it again. Do it again before you get back up. Ladies and gentlemen. You ain't done yet. Do that again. Watch it. Boom, boom, boom.
Also, you have the live sea lands over here, so you can enjoy the souvenir shops, and it's very scenic. And also you get a bike ride over here, and there are many other things you can do, like you can walk to the Fishermans Wharf, and you can have your lunch or dinner at Fishermans Wharf. At Fishermans Wharf also you have many other activities, like you can visit the Molino Square museum. Also, Fishermans Wharf is famous for seafood, so if you're a seafood lover, then you should definitely try over here.
Anyone else? Okay. Pen, I want you to bring back your dad's money, okay? Don't screw this up. Wave over the hat and say the magic words. It's abracadabra. All right. You see the wand? Flips up the hat. Your dad's money should be inside there.
Number 10. Alcatraz Island. A former prison and now one of the city's most popular tourist attraction. A visit to the island includes a tour of the cell house where the visitors can see where the prisoners lived. The cruise ride is available in every half an hour throughout the day.